Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking experience? The Fabuletta 1-0-in-1 Countertop Convection Oven is here to make your kitchen adventures not just easier, but also healthier and more delicious. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into why this versatile appliance should be your next culinary companion. Unboxing and first impressions. Opening the Fabuletta Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The first thing that strikes you is its sleek design. The black finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Inside the box, you'll find not just the oven, but also a range of accessories that elevate its functionality. From air frying to toasting, this appliance has you covered. A multifunctional marvel, the Fabuletta Air Fryer Oven boasts an impressive 10 preset functions, offering you a wide array of cooking options. Whether you're in the mood for crispy French fries, a perfectly toasted bagel, or a mouth-watering pizza, this appliance has your back. It even includes functions for air roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, reheating, and more. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter with this all-in-one solution. Healthier cooking with air fry technology. One of the standout features of this oven is its 360° rapid heat circulation air fry technology. It allows you to indulge in your favorite fried foods with up to 85% less oil compared to traditional deep frying. The result: crispy textures, just like you love. From chicken to fish, you can enjoy healthier versions of your beloved classics. Speed and efficiency. With 1,800 watts of power and 4 heating elements, this convection oven cooks up to 50% faster than traditional ovens. The preheat function is a game changer, cutting preheat times in half compared to other ovens. You can toast 9 slices of bread to a perfect golden brown in less than 4 minutes. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to quicker, more even cooking. Space-saving design. The Fabuletta Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a space saver. It can accommodate up to 9 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, yet it won't hog your counter space. With 2 rack positions, you enjoy flexibility when cooking various foods. When you're done, simply flip it up and away for easy storage against your kitchen backsplash. It's a true space-saving marvel. Customized toast shades. Toast lovers, this one's for you. The oven features 7 toast shade settings, letting you choose your perfect level of doneness. Whether you prefer lightly golden or deep dark toasts, this oven caters to your individual tastes. Plus, you can add butter or cheese right after baking for an extra touch of deliciousness. Warranty and support. Fabuletta stands by its product with a 24-month warranty and lifetime customer service. Your satisfaction is their priority. Don't miss out on the culinary revolution. Upgrade your kitchen with the Fabuletta Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo and enjoy a world of cooking possibilities at your fingertips. Say hello to healthier, faster, and more efficient cooking. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.